Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox the biggest humidifier I ever had. Some of the benefits of the humidifier is that they can prevent dry and cracked skin, protects wooden furniture and floors from cracking due to excessive dryness. It promotes plant health as indoor plants thrive in a humid environment. Some of the features of this humidifier are large 9-liter water tank. It supports adding essential oils. The nozzle rotates 360 degrees. It is very quiet. It has automatic off once the water runs out. It tells you what is the current humidity in the room. So it has humidity sensor and you can set up the desired humidity. These are the items that you will receive with the device. So let's unbox it and see how it works. You can remove the top part, so you can put some water inside, but before that remove this protective plastic from the filter in the water. I have added 1 liter of water to test it out, but you can go up to 9 liter of water. Behind the device you have essential oil tray, so you just click it. It will go out, and then here you can add a couple of drops from the essential oil. Don't add above this as it can damage the device. So you can remotely control this device, so let's turn it on. And you can see this is the current humidity level, 59%. And you can set up the desired one if you want lower or higher. The humidifier will control it. So let's see how that works. So if we keep pressing the above button here, you can set up the desired humidity in your room. So let's set it up, for example, on 60, because I think it was already at 59. And you can see it already started working. Let's put it a bit higher, 65%. And you can see it already started working here. And what are some other options? So you can set it up on the sleep here. It will work on the lower capacity. You can set up the timer here, and here you can set up how powerful you want it to be for the mist. So you can see here it's more, and it is controlled here. If I press now one more time, it goes on the lowest. This is the middle. You can see how much it is increasing, and this is the most powerful one. You can see it giving a nice mist in the air. And what is amazing is that it already started working really quickly, like after 10-15 seconds it's already ready to go, and I can smell that nice essential oil that we put inside it. Here you can put the light of the device, and you can see here how it looks, and we'll see in the night how it glows. So what is amazing is that you can keep monitoring the humidity level, because if you go too much, that is not good for your health. So it is amazing that you can set up the desired level. So for example, you can go like around 50, that will be maybe ideal, 50, 55, and you can keep it, and it will automatically turn off when it reaches that level. So that is really amazing. If your batteries dies on the remote control, you can use also here these buttons to control the device. Overall, I'm very satisfied with the device, because you can control the moisture in your apartment, and at the same time you can have some beautiful smell from the essential oils that you put in the tray. So it is amazing during the times when you use the AC too much, so it dries out the air. So you can put it, and also if some guests are coming to your home, you want it to smell nice, you can give it a fresh, nice smell with the essential oils. So that will be all for this video. If you like the device, you can order it from the link below in the description of this video. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.